Want to delete your Otter.ai account? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to permanently delete your Otter.ai account. Let's get started. First, open the application on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left. Tap on your account name at the top. Scroll down. Tap on Delete Account. To delete your Otter.ai account, you have to verify your account. Tap on Verify and Continue. Then, select your Google account through which you used to sign in. Then, tap on Permanently Delete Account. Do remember that all your data will be deleted, including recordings and your email, which cannot be recovered. And that is how to permanently delete Otter.ai account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.